In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Workspace in Notion. Managing workspaces effectively is key to staying organized, and sometimes that means removing a workspace you no longer need. Deleting a workspace in Notion is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully since this action is permanent and cannot be undone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can safely and confidently delete a workspace if necessary. To start, make sure you are logged into your Notion account and on the home page. Look to the top left corner of the screen where your workspace name is displayed. Click on your workspace name, and a menu will appear with various options related to your account and workspace management. In this menu, locate the Settings option, represented by a gear icon, and click on it. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage every aspect of your workspace. Once the Settings panel is open, navigate to the left-hand side and scroll down until you find the Workspace section. Click on General under Workspace, which will bring up the Workspace management options. Scroll through the general settings until you reach the area labeled Danger Zone. This section is clearly marked because it contains options that have a permanent impact, including the option to delete your workspace entirely. Click on Delete Entire Workspace. At this stage, Notion will warn you that this action is permanent. Deleting the workspace will remove all pages, files, and content associated with it, so it's essential to be certain before proceeding. To confirm that you want to delete the workspace, you will need to type the exact name of the workspace into the designated field. This extra step ensures that the deletion is intentional and prevents accidental removal of important content. After entering the workspace name, click on Permanently Delete Workspace. Once you do this, the workspace and all its contents will be permanently removed from your Notion account. This is an irreversible process, so make sure that any data you need is backed up or moved to another workspace beforehand. And that's it. Your workspace is now deleted, and you've successfully managed your Notion account by removing a workspace you no longer need. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.